Welcome to Choose Nutrition. These videos are informational guides not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Today's topic: microwave ovens, instant cooking, instant disease. Our foods are compromised with chemicals, additives, etc. Using microwave ovens enhances diseases and illnesses. Microwave ovens are dangerous machines that cause mental and physical disease. They are extremely dangerous for pregnant women, children, sperm, and ovaries. Microwave ovens denature, decrease the nutritional value of foods, especially minerals, vitamins, foods possess. Eating microwave food deteriorates functions of the excretorial and digestive system. Can cause cancerous growths. Thawing frozen foods. The microwave radiation biologically alters frozen foods. Eating microwave heated foods can cause a high percentage of cancer cells within the blood. Until next time, be well, be safe, Ralph.